Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this FASTPRO 215-piece home repair toolkit. So I got this because it has this little zipper up bag that I'm going to put everything in. Yeah, it's really nice. I love when they have the bags that I can put everything in. Here's all the tools. So let's get all the tools out and see exactly what we get. All right, looks like we got some more tools. Let's lay them all out. Okay, so here's everything unboxed. A little hammer. I like that it comes with a knife and extra blades. Standard and metric Allen wrenches. Some wire cutters. Some slip joint pliers. Very nice. Needle nose. Crescent wrench. Little zip ties for hanging some different things. Now this, I like this screwdriver here because you got different interchangeable bits. So you can take a bit out, put it in this screwdriver, and now you've got whatever screwdriver you need depending on all these bits. That's pretty nice. Little tape measure. Level. It is magnetic on one side. You know, on these screwdrivers. So you got some Phillips and some straight slots. I like that you got some really small ones also. Yeah, sometimes you just need really, really small ones to do some work. So this looks like a really nice toolkit. I'm very happy that I bought it. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.